So you want to buy your granny flat from China. So there is not a problem. The choice is immense. Chinese produce massive amount of all possible shape and sizes of granny flats, and they export in many countries around the world. So why not in Australia? The problem, of course, is compliance, and don't be misunderstood. The terms compliance and quality. All those products are made from good materials and of surprisingly good quality. But do they comply with actual Australian building standard? No. So can you have any of those buildings legally erected as a Class 1A building in Australia? No. Can you do something about it? Yes, there is a way around it. You can make it compliant with Australian standards. So first you need to make sure that you got the product which you actually have 2.4 minimum ceiling height, because it would be extremely difficult and cost inefficient that you try to increase the actual ceiling height. And once you got this, then you just need to deal with the other bits and pieces which are less structurally intensive. Here we see example how everything is getting packed together and ready for shipment. Pretty smart and clever stuff. And as quality goes, look at this. Steel frame is really done very well. All welds are nice and solid. And what they use for flooring, it's actually marine ply. That's really heavy duty stuff, much better than we use even in luxury houses in Australia. Anyway, back to compliance. Once you got your ceiling heights of 2.4 meters, then you need to make sure that bathroom comply with a recent code about livability and associated rules. Windows need to comply with building code, which means 10% of the floor area have to be window and half of it need to be openable. Your door openings need to have minimum 820 millimeters clearance. And there are many other bits and pieces which you need to be compliant with. Also, your engineer will need to assess structural integrity of the thing to your wind zone and make sure that that's correct. Does it make financial sense? Definitely. Is it easy and straightforward? No. So what's my advice? Well, go for it. Just make sure you did your homework and make sure everything is strictly compliant and how you're going to do it. Can this solve housing crisis in Australia? No, but it can be part of solution. So feel free to ask questions in the comment if you got any. Thank you.